welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy, if you don't know me, and today I played with the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne collection and a couple other things. This is a little quick video. I didn't do a whole lot of chatting, it's mostly just makeup this time. I decided to rock a different look today, switch it up a little bit with some black hair. This is the Obsidian wig by Trendy Wigs. You can use my code JD35 for 30% off if you want to temporarily, commitment-free switch your look up. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and if you want to see how I created this look, keep watching. I'm gonna go really quickly through my face makeup because it is always the same. If you want to see how I do it a little bit slower, you can probably just look at any of my previous videos. To prime, I'm using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Please disregard my broken nail. For foundation, I'm using the BH Cosmetics foundation in Fair Golden, mixed with a little bit of the NYX Total Control Drops in Pale. And I'm applying it with my Smashbox blurring foundation brush. To conceal, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair, and also adding some Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer. To contour, I'm using my contour stick by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Fawn. And I'm blending it out with the Kat Von D foundation brush. To blend out my nose contour, I'm switching to the Kat Von D concealer brush. To add a little highlight down the center with my Whiteout concealer. Next, I'm setting my face with the RCMA No Color Powder. And I am going to pack on quite a bit of powder under my eyes to catch any fallout from the eye look that we're doing. For the brows, I'm gonna do a fluffy brow like I did on Instagram because a lot of people asked how I did it. I'm gonna use my Pony Cosmetics brow brush because it's really nice and precise. And I'm gonna use Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. And I'm just gonna go in and draw hair strokes in the direction that my brows naturally grow. I draw them pretty dark and pretty obnoxiously stripy looking because I am going to blend that product out. And I like to draw the hair strokes up close in a mirror and then look at my mirror that's farther away to make sure I've got a decent shape happening. Then using the spoolie on the other side, and go in and blend out those lines a little bit. I don't blend them out entirely because I do like it to look like they're very hairy. And I don't do any concealer cleanup because I like them to look a little bit messy. Next, I use the Tinted Brow Gel. And I comb all the hairs up, following the direction that we drew in the little fakey ones. And since this is tinted, it gives my light brows even more fluff. I especially like to pack it on the end because I don't have a ton of hair down there. It really beefs it up. A beefy brow. Yeah. The lighting in this video is going to be all over the place. The sun is doing things. I'm going to start on the eye look now, and first I'm going to use the Kristen Leanne Urban Decay Daydream eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go right into 8 and pack it on the lid. Then with a fluffier brush, I'm going to go into Subscribe. I'm going to go in with Sugar Pills Acid Berry Shadow. And with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to go over that crease color. just turning that orangey brown into a nice olive green. Then going into the Kaleidoscope Dream palette, I'm gonna put Lime Time on the lid. And then on the lower lash line, I'm gonna use the same colors, the browns layered under the greens to smoke it out. Then I can dust away this powder and it'll just take all of that fallout with it. I have this really cool green glitter with big stars and all kinds of stuff in here. So I'm gonna add this on top. It's from Nick Love. So I'm gonna put one little star down here. For the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use the blue side of Leo and Brixton. In the lower waterline, I'm gonna use the NYX Faux Black Pencil in Olive Black. Olive Black? Why would it be called Olive Black? Black Olive. My apologies. For lashes, I'm gonna use Black Magic Lashes, aka Rouge and Rogue Lashes in Lady Killer. I'm gonna do it off camera because I've been struggling with my lashes so much lately, and y'all saw it in my last video. You don't need to see it again, so I'll be right back. Lashes and mascara are on. Now I'm going to put on highlighter and blush. Obviously highlighting with the Beauty Beam palette. For blush, I'm gonna use the Daydream palette and I'm gonna grab 1212. And for the lips, I'm gonna use 710 by Milk Cosmetics. This is such a cool color. I'm gonna hop off camera for a second, put on my hair and a few freckles, and then I'll be done. It has been so long since I wore black hair. I forgot how much I like it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this look, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.